Good morning, children. How are you all? Good? Enjoyed the first chapter? Have completed the writing in the workbook? सब लिख लिया है वर्कबुक में आप लोगों ने फर्स्ट चैप्टर का? मज़ा आया था ना फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ने में? Yes. So now we will start with the second chapter. This is third standard. Subject looking around. Chapter number 2, page number 11. The name of the chapter is The Plant Fairy. Children, before we start the chapter, let me ask you something. हम लोग ये चैप्टर शुरू करें उससे पहले मुझे आप लोगों से कुछ पूछना है. आप लोग छुपम छुपाई खेलते हो? थप्पो रमो છો ને બધા? अच्छा, અંતાક્ષરી? ઓકે. પછી આઈસ એન્ડ વોટર, પકડદાવ, પછી કલર કલર. ચિલ્ડ્રન, ડુ યુ પ્લે ધ ગેમ કલર કલર? કલર કલર, which color? Red. Then everybody will run and touch the red color. Do you play all this type of games? Yes. So this is also the chapter of one of the game. The name of the game is The Plant Fairy. हो अभी सबको हो रहा है ना ये क्या होगा इस गेम में. चलो पढ़ते हैं और सीख लेते हैं कि भाई ये गेम कैसे खेलते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, पेंसिल एवरीबडी इन योर हैंड. पेज नंबर 11, चैप्टर नंबर 2, द प्लांट फेरी. नाउ लेट अस रीड द चैप्टर. Last Sunday, we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek, Chupan Chupai, and Antakshri. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today. I will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something, and you all will have to touch it." So, children, here, as you can see in this picture, all these children are playing the game Plant Fairy. First of all, they played Chupan Chupai, and then after they played Antakshi. Then after the Didi, here, as you can see, she is a Didi. She said, today we will start a new game. The name of the game is the Plant Fairy. What to do in that game? She says that I will become a plant fairy, and whatever I say you have to touch that type of plant. Whatever name she will say, the children will have to touch the same. Now let us start with second paragraph. The game began. Didi said, the plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. At once all the children ran towards the plants. ये जो दीदी है उन्होंने क्या बोला? शी इज़ द दीदी. शी सेड दैट यू हैव टू टच अ प्लांट. आप लोग कोई भी प्लांट जो है उसको टच कर लो. दे ऑल वेर प्लेइंग इन द गार्डन एज यू कैन सी. सो शी आस्क्ड दैट टू टच अ प्लांट. नाउ द चिल्ड्रन रैन टूवर्ड्स द प्लांट्स. कैन यू सी हियर? यस. हियर अम्मू हेल्ड द marigold plant. This boy's name is Dayaram. He caught hold of a neem tree and stood there. This is the trunk of neem tree. This boy is Dayaram. Now here her name is Ammu. What is her name? Ammu. Now Shabnam sat touching a jasmine plant. This plant is the, what is this plant? This plant is the jasmine plant. And who is this girl? This girl's name is Shabnam. And this boy is Michael. As you can see here, this boy is Michael. And what is he doing? He has touched a mehendi bush. Can you see? Yes. So children, in this picture, here marigold is a plant. Shabnam sat sitting a jasmine plant. Mehendi is a bush. So plant, bush and tree. That means 3 type of plants are there. Plants, bush and tree. Right? So now we'll turn on to page number 12. That is the next page. Didi said, very good. Everyone has touched a plant, but have you ever noticed that all the plants are different from each other? Didi, you are also sitting on little plants, said Shabnam. अच्छा, जब इन लोगों ने प्लांट्स को छुआ, इफ़ यू आर हैविंग प्लांट्स एट योर होम और you have seen many plants. So children, all plants are different from each other, as you have seen here in our chapter, this the first page, that is, yes, you can see here, see this is very different from this plant, it is different. This is neem tree. It is different from this marigold. Now this marigold is different from this jasmine. Jasmine is having white flowers. This marigold is having yellow orange flowers. And here this Michael is having the mehndi bush. There are no flowers on this bush. Okay. So this is having white flower, this is having orange yellow flowers, and this bush are having no flowers. So there are many different type of plants. Now children, Didi, you are also sitting on little plants, said Shabnam. Yes children, can you see this girl, Didi? Where is she sitting? She is sitting on a little plants, on little plants. These are the little plants. What are they? ये जो दिख रहे हैं ना आपको छोटे छोटे प्लांट, वो क्या है बच्चा? It is the green grass. What is it? The green grass. Green grass है, उस पे ये दीदी उन लोगों की बैठी है. Now can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? The game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. Thick trunk. This is the thick trunk. This one is very thick trunk, and this is the thin trunk. Thick that is mota wala, and thin that is patla sa. So what the Didi said now, the plant fairy, that is the Didi, she says now that you go and touch the trunk of a tree, either a thick or a thin. So trunk is the part of a tree. The children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? Yes, आपने बच्चों कभी देखा है इतना मोटा ट्रंक वाला पेड़? हाँ, जो बड़े बड़े पेड़ होते हैं ना, एग्जाम्पल द बनियन ट्री, द पीपल ट्री, they are having very thick trunks. The children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you ever seen a trunk which has as thick as the one shown in the picture? Michael found the game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order in everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy, said Michael. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy. Well children, fairy that is pari, an angel. So can a boy be a fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Now this boy Michael is becoming plant fairy. So now the children will take order from Michael. Now what is this Michael saying? Let us see. Michael said, get me some leaves quickly. What is Michael saying? Get me some leaves. Leaves that is पत्ते, पांदड़ा. Michael बोल रहा है कि भाई मुझे बहुत सारे पत्ते, थोड़े बहुत पत्ते हैं वो लेके आओ. फटाफट से जाओ और लेके आओ. But remember you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants, said Didi. जैसे ही माइकल ने बोला कि go and get some leaves quickly, Didi said that don't pluck it from the plants. उसमें से तोड़ने का नहीं है. That means जो leaves नीचे गिरे हुए हैं, the पत्ते जो है वो नीचे जो गिरे हुए हो वही लाने का है. The leaves that were lying on the ground, they have to bring only that leaves. So the children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. Now children, आपने कोई पत्ते देखे हैं किसी भी पेड़ के? यस, हाँ, हमारे आसपास जो पेड़ होते हैं, पीपल ट्री है, आसोपालव है, नीम ट्री है, बनियन ट्री है, उन सब ट्रीज के हम लोगों ने पत्ते देखे हैं. नाउ टर्निंग ऑन टू पेज नंबर 13. हियर सी the leaves are shown, different leaves are shown. The as you can see here, the shape and the size of leaves are different. अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे ध्यान से, if you watch it carefully, यहाँ पे जो leaves के shape है और उसकी जो size है वो अलग अलग है. Can you make it out? Yes, this leaf, this is round in shape, right, and is green in color. This one is yellow in color. This shape differs again from this leaf. This is the green color leaf. Now this is red and green. Again the shape is different from this leaf. Now see the shape and color of this leaf. It is totally different, isn't it? Again this leaf, it is of brown color. And these are the neem tree leaves. They are also different in size and shape. They are very small compared to all these leaves. Am I clear, everybody? Okay, now let us read. The Aram said, I did not know that there are so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, and some are triangular. So children, as you can see, these leaves are of different shapes. Some are round, some are long, and some are triangular. Ammu said they are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red, and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Well children, what are the margins? Here, so children, the margin of these leaves are also different from each other. Margin, that are the boundaries, that are the, here it is shown, these are margin of the leaves. They are also different. That is the surface, that is the boundary of the leaf. Some are straight and some are uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw. Amu and Shabnam shouted together, we also want to be the plant fairy. Didi said, not today, maybe next Sunday. It is time to go home. Now on the way back, Didi recited a poem for every one. So there is a poem on page number 14 that we will see next time. Hope you have understood the chapter. So try to collect some leaves and try to and then touch these leaves and try to feel and also watch the color of the leaves and the shape, the different shape and different size and different colors of different leaves. Okay children, till then bye bye, take care everybody. घर पे ही रहना, कहीं बाहर मत जाना बच्चों. Bye bye.